All right, so we're gonna do the brakes on the old El Camino. Just the drum brakes.
Yeah, I brought the fucking pads, but they're good. You don't need to worry about that. It's fine. But this here, bit of a problem. It's a little nasty in there.
Leaking a little bit of goop.
Little brake fluid in there. I tested it. It's good. I tasted it. It's brake fluid, not gear oil. We thought it might have been gear oil, but it ain't gear oil.
There we go. All right.
Colors are a pain in the ass. Don't rush it.
So we loosened the brake line first, and then we took that clip out.
And it sits way up in there. It's not a good design. It's almost like a Ford engineer had something to do with a GM product. Are we allowed to talk about brand loyalty on this channel?
You can talk about whatever you want.
Well, not anything. There's certain things I like to talk about. I can't talk about on here. It's a nice zoom shot there, bud.
All right, we'll show where that clip goes on there up close.
Hang on, let me get it out. All right, so the clip, fellers, goes on there like this, and this is what holds in your shit, and it goes down and hooks in here. I'm not gonna do it again, but it hooks in right underneath there on both sides. And as you can see, when we go to install the new ones, that is a
Cocksucker.
that is a tight fit. This is a really, really bad design. All right, I'm gonna get the other side going. You know, I'm greasing up these spots here, so you don't want anything rubbing raw. Just like your old
All
lady,
the spots
you know,
where you see it rubbing, the shoes, grease them up so that way when they open and close, they don't creak. No dry dock in there, huh, bud?
Best way to explain this is try and put it in your old lady's poop chute one time dry. That's not a good time, okay?
Yeah, that sounds like a great thing to say on YouTube.
Well, fuck. Hey, you don't need to worry about YouTube analytics. It's not like he's monetizing these fucking videos anyway. See, baby, I'm taking care of you, okay?
All right, we're gonna try to get a better video on this side where there's more light.
Little light on the old subject here, okay? Subject matter.
I need that and these pieces. We're just gonna stick the shoes on there first.
It's a good Tuesday.
You wanna hold that up there?
Oh, yeah.
But slide that piece in the top there first.
Get in there.
Alrighty.
What you want to do is you gotta have your buddy stand real close next to that spring with the naked eyeball. It's good for him.
Yeah. These fucking things suck. Well, alright.
As you can see, viewers, I have a permanent lifetime pass to the old struggle bus.
Alright. Try to hold that.
Let's get it.
Alright, we got her on there. Don't worry about that, we'll get that later. Alright, the other side, the other clip.
Yoink.
Yoink. And
That piece.
alright, before we do all that, we'll slide this piece in.
Always
And the
remember-
wider end goes to this side where it has the emergency brake.
In the fine words of Greg Hawkins, always remember, big on back.
Big on back, big shoe on back.
On back. On back now.
Alright.
Switch my sides, I'll hold it. There's that for you. QA1.
Yeah, right there. Alright. Here. Actually, we better do the short spring first and went on first on the other side.
Right.
QA1 is looking like around 350 for the lowers and around 230 for the uppers. Big spin. Now you can get a set of just generic cheap ones for 226 bucks, which is the same price as the softers.
Text me that link and I'll look it up on my G-Body forum and see what people say for the cheap generic ones.
Got a flathead screwdriver.
Yeah, right there.
They're from Speedway. They're like
Oh, okay, they're from Speedway. Yeah, just text me the link. I'll take a gander at them.
Alright, we're gonna get a little handy dandy tool.
I mean, if you really want to save a buck, we can just pull those off and I can box them for you.
Yeah, but it's gonna cost, you know. Well, if we're gonna do it, I'm thinking about like the way you're thinking. I'm gonna need bushings anyway, and I bet those they already got bushings in them.
Here.
Yeah, the ones from Speedway come with bushings.
You wanna text me that link?
Figure out how to do it.
Come on. Oh.
Beautiful.
Well, we gotta pop that spring back around. Where's that flathead at?
Right there by your foot.
If I was buying,
Do we need to worry about how much that's in a bind or?
It'll straighten up once all the pads are there.
Did I do good or did I fuck up?
Oh, you're alright. Alright.
Learning me how to do drum brakes, and here Jesse's learning how to do camera stuff.
Alright. adjust this out. We'll spread this apart. And then we'll adjust it and then stick that drum on. Got my little flathead. That might be a little tight there. Alrighty. Alright, so now we're gonna bleed them. I'm gonna do the one furthest away from the master cylinder. So it'll be this side. Alright, pump it up, Austin. Alright, pump it up.
Alright.
Pump it.
Yep.
Alright, pump again.